Okay, real quick, everyone look up here, and we're doing notes, or headphones should not be in our ears, right? So, real quick, I do want these to be counted every day, calculators. That's why I have a picture of the calculator up there. So, last 2 minutes of class, okay, the protocol is going to be, I don't want a stampede over here because that doesn't work. I don't want people by the door. So when last 2 minutes, when I let you know that, you just stay seated. But the people in the front, if y'all can help me, I do want people to pass them to the front, and people in the front, y'all can help me put them over here. Or if you want a different row leader, okay, but just one person per row. We already said you should not have headphones in your face. Okay. I do need to take this because okay, I'm gonna put it on my desk. You said it was not gonna move, but it did, so it's gonna be right here. You don't need to be having it, okay? Please. So, again, calculators. Last 2 minutes, when I ask you to pass them up. Okay, people at the front, help me put them over here. I need to count all 30 in the class every day. Okay, for real. Now, number one. First step we said on yesterday's notes is always given to you, so you want to write the word given. Okay. Now, we just talked about if there's two x's on the same side, those do combine. What's 5x plus 4x? 9x. Bring down, 5 equals, bring down, minus 22. Okay? So, that's where we're at. What did I just do? Okay, I know I added 5 and 4, but you don't want to put adding or addition property because it's only on one side. When you combine on one side, it's called combining like terms, if you remember that from yesterday. Combining like terms. Okay, next step. I'm trying to get x by itself, so I need to get rid of the loner. What do I need to get rid of? So x is on the right side. Which number do I need to get rid of? The 9 or the minus 22? What do y'all think? The minus 22. That's the loner, right? So I need to do the opposite. Add 22 on both sides. All right, this is stuff we've been doing. So 5 plus 22 on the left side gives me 27. Bring down 9x. Okay. And what did I just do on both sides that I need to write down? Okay, addition property. So okay, getting near the end, I want x by itself. So the 9 in front of x, the coefficient that's being multiplied, what is the opposite? What do? Okay, everyone with me? The opposite of multiplying, we divide by 9 on both sides. 27 over 9 is what? Okay, 3 equals x. And since I just divided on both sides, I put division property. Now, we talked about this on yesterday's notes. We like to have x on the left side, so our last step is to kind of switcheroo. What's that step called when I switch it? It's kind of like when something is the same on both sides, you can flip it over, it's the same. Symmetrical property. You have notes from yesterday, or if you lost them or you weren't here, there's filled out notes in the blue bin that you can grab, right? So again, if you need to switch x to the left side, you call it the symmetrical property. X equals 3. Oh my gosh, that's the ugliest M. Okay. Symmetrical property. Okay. So you should have that warm-up done, right? You have this written down? Okay. You also, for all these warm-ups, we were writing down the reasons, right? So you want to write that down. Now, just like the warm-up, just like yesterday's notes, okay, your assignment is going over those proofs. Now, number 1 and 2 is kind of like the first 1 and 2 on the notes yesterday. You're just filling in the reasons. So let me show you on the screen up here. So number one, you're just giving me one of these 4 reasons in the reason bank. Does everyone see where I'm pointing right here, okay? Let me be clear. Is everyone listening? You may not use all of these, and you may use some of these more than once. Let me say that again. Is everyone looking? Everybody look up here, okay? On your assignment, on number 1, you might use one of these more than once, and you may not use one of these, okay? So again, if you're like, why does this happen twice? That's fine. It's okay to use a step more than once. Cool? On number 2, it's the same idea. It's just a little bit longer. But you know the first reason is always something, right, given. And then you can fill in these blanks with the right ones. Sometimes you use more than one. Sometimes you don't use one. That's fine. On the back, number 3, now there's no word bank, and you're doing both sides, okay? So can you help fill in the blank of each step and then give me all those reasons? And then number 4, do one all by yourself, the whole thing, like we did on the warm-up, okay? That's your assignment today, unless I gave you a test, and you really just got to finish that test first, okay? So please work on this, knock it out, and let us know if you have questions. We're here to help.